So hi everyone, today again we have Ayush with us, who you might remember from the previous video. So Ayush, would you like to introduce yourself to the new viewers?
Hey everyone, this is Ayush. I'm a software engineer at Zepto. I've previously worked at Microsoft, which I had joined after my college. I've interned at lots of organizations like Microsoft, Coinbase, and also startups like Anakin, Pocket FM. I like to talk about tech. I'm a fan of technology. I like to build software. So yeah, that's all about me.
Yes, so in this video we're going to discuss the interview experience of Coinbase. So Ayush, as you've cracked Coinbase, can you tell us the interview experience of it? Like what all happened, how many rounds were there, how did you face?
Yeah, sure. So I cracked Coinbase when I was in the final year of my college. I applied off campus via the greenhouse link that
Yeah.
they gave me. It was not without any. It was without referral and all.
Mm-hmm.
So luckily, I got call from the
Direct
recruiter.
applying.
Yeah. So Coinbase is known for their tough problems. They are like very similar to what Meta asks in
Yes.
US and all.
Yeah.
So there were just two rounds. There was this online assessment and the interview. After that, I think they had an HR round, but it was just for formality.
Yeah.
So the OA was tough, I would say, tough in a way that so there were three problems in 1.5 hours, and you have to solve all three of them, otherwise you would not get a call.
Oh.
So a lot of my friends also appeared for that. Some of them solved two problems, 2.5. None of them got call. Only folks who did like three problems got a call.
Damn.
So you really need to be like good in CP for that. Then in the interview, the problem was very tough, but I don't know if anyone, even including me, were able to arrive at the most optimal
Complete
solution.
solution,
Yeah.
yeah.
So luckily, all of us got selected. I asked all of my peers who got selected. All of them gave that basic approach, and but they were not able to improve it. So yeah, that was I think luck. I don't know, but yeah. So if you want to crack Coinbase, it is very similar to what Meta asks. Just to be like very good in CP and try to solve contests at code forces. Lead code won't work here. Try to be good in code forces, so that will really help.
So I think just the DSA approach will not be good if you're going for Coinbase, right?
Correct.
Especially for the OA. So can you tell us a bit more about OA if you remember, like the type of problems, the level of difficulty? If we compare it to a lead code problem, what was the level of difficulty?
Yeah, so actually the in lead code contest we have the third and fourth problems which
Yeah,
are like good problems, right?
medium hard. Yeah.
So you would find two problems of the level fourth problem and one problem of the third one, and you have to solve all of them, make sure all the test cases pass. Your algorithm is like the fastest in terms of big O notations, and I think that way you'll be able to make out of it.
Mm-hmm. So any topic? Do you remember what kind of topics were there? Any hot topics that they asked?
I think DP is is the hottest topic when you're
Yeah.
talking about online assessments. DP, then they would add bit masking on top of DP, so that you cannot avoid. A couple of my peers also faced problems, including segment trees. So a lot of us avoid segment
Yeah,
trees.
because it's a
Initial,
CP topic.
yeah, in my initial days, also used to avoid it, but it's not first. It's not that tough. Just try to become familiar with
Exactly.
it.
Yes.
There is a wide range of problems that you will be able to solve
Using
once you
it.
learn segment trees.
Correct. Correct.
So yeah.
Correct. So we can say it was Div 2D level, Div 2C
Yeah,
level
C and DD
in
is I
code
think
forces.
yes, I think the a good explanation.
So let's say that some second year or third year student is there and they want to join Coinbase, they want to go into Coinbase. So what do you think right now their preparation should be? Like they're starting from scratch right now, they want to join Coinbase because it pays well, it's a great company. What should their preparation will should be like? What should you tell them? What should you
Sure.
tell them?
If you're like directly aiming for Coinbase and you're like specific that you want to crack Coinbase, I think you can avoid all the other topics like databases, OS. Like I'm not advising you to avoid, but for specific
For
Coinbase,
focusing, yeah.
it will not ask you any theoretical topic, no design, nothing. Just DSA and CP will help you, get your way through Coinbase.
Correct, correct. All right. So make sure that you're knee deep into computer programming for companies like Coinbase. And I think going into computer programming will not help you just for Coinbase, but I think a lot of other even FANG companies or high paying companies, it will help you. Computer programming will help you. So I
Definitely.
definitely suggest, I think you'll suggest the same. That if you're at least in college, first, second year, give CP a try. You
Correct.
never know, you might like it. All right. So I guess that was pretty much everything about the Coinbase interview experience. And if you want to know about his entire journey, then again, we've made an entire podcast. I'll give a link to that in the description. Make sure that you check that out. Hi, everyone. I hope you enjoyed the video with Ayush. And let me tell you, if you want to crack a company like Coinbase, if you want to crack a high paying company like Coinbase, like some of the FANG companies, then you need to have a lot of skills under your belt. You need to be a master of DSA, you need to be master of development. Along with that, right now, with the age of AI, you need to have some Gen AI skills as well. And let me tell you a great platform where you can get all of these skills and that platform is Cryo. So Cryo has a 9 months online course where they accustom you with everything that you need in order to crack the top product based companies as a full stack software engineer. So they teach you DSA, they teach you development, and they also teach you AI skills as well. So all of these are something that can set you apart from the other candidates. Apart from that, they have a focus on learning by doing. So instead of just cramming up theory, you'll be actually building really cool industry grade projects. You'll be building projects that have real life value. It will be like working in a company similar to that, right? So you'll be getting all of these skills, and the placement scenario in Cryo also looks pretty decent, where you have an average package of 9 to 15 LPA, and you have a super dream package of 15 to 40 LPA plus. So definitely this is an opportunity that you should take if you want to crack the top product based companies and you need help. Then I would highly suggest Cryo. So if this is something that you want to try, then you have a free trial option where you can just see the course for yourself without paying anything. So you can go click the link in the description and book your free trial. And that's it. Thanks for watching the video.